Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to contact Instagram through email. The first side what you can get up to this solution is just simply forgetting for your profile section and then typing on the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then you need to go and select settings and for help center. Now go for help center or simply go for report a problem. Particularly, the other solution for it, you'll need to get off from your Instagram, and here on the side you need to type for Instagram support email. When you scroll down here, as you can see, people also ask, click on the first side, and here guys, as you can see, here it is, the email of Instagram site. Now you can just copy this email, and or you can just take a look on it, support.instagram.com, go to your email and then type that, and that you're gonna be able to contact with them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.